Want to get into new projects first? Want to set and forget? I've got the best project for that right now in this video. Let's take a look at UNODEX. So what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date with everything going on in crypto and the latest and greatest new projects to come to our space. Now, for those of you that have been around for a while, UNODEX, I have done a full review of this project. Ultimately, the world's fastest trading platform. That's right, get into any project before anyone else. They offer a fantastic UI experience and it's built on its own Ethereum node. So you know you'll link right into the Ethereum blockchain, and now the Solana blockchain is the first to the party. We're going to break down a couple of key parts. We'll take a look at some of the socials and more importantly, that chart action when it comes to UNODEX. All the links to this will be in the description so you can get your fill. Right, don't forget, this also have a rev share calculator. What's that, I hear you say? Ultimately, if you are holding UNODEX tokens on their platform, you get a portion of the volume, and that's a fantastic benefit and incentive for anyone to be holding UNODEX. Not only can you trade coins first, you can get into those pre-sale launches before everybody else. You ultimately get benefited by UNODEX tokens for just simply holding your tokens on the platforms. So with that being said, let's get into what I want to talk about, which is ultimately their UI experience. Now, this is about to get a big upgrade. We're about to get an even more user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing UI that you can use. Now, you might be thinking, hold on to a bit, you say all these things, where is it? Boom, there it is. So you can see exactly what that looks like. Really good to use, simple, and just gives you everything you need in a one-stop shop, allowing you to trade and focus on making money. And it's very, very important. So here we are on the dashboard. And it's really important to understand some of the key parts to this and how it can benefit you when we talk about getting into projects soon. So this on here, latest pools, these are ultimately liquidity pools being created when people make a token or they launch a token, them adding liquidity to it, giving you the ability to buy. So that's right, you're getting the opportunity to see some of these at first hand. What are they putting in? How long ago? What does the token amount look like? Ultimately, everything you need to make a decision based upon your plays. Not only that, you can see on this top one here, we even have an X page and Telegram. So that's right, you can click the links straight off the UI platform and go directly to that project. You see that test one just coming up, shows you exactly how quick and on the money this piece of kit really is. And again, you can go down, you can pick any of these that you want and ultimately go and buy them. And this is where it gets even more exciting. Now, there's always risks attached to it, as there would be trading for Uniswap. I guess in this respect, you're getting a little bit more information at the touch of a button. You can understand exactly what we've got. Even if you look at some of the key parts on the bottom of it, like we said, we've got market cap, we've got contract address, we've got liquidity, we've got how much in terms of the token holdings with the team, and many, many more. Is the contract verified? And then obviously you get a rating here on the far right hand side. So for example, let's say we're going to buy Hemule. This is not in any way affiliated with this project. It's simply just one I can click on. So we can see it's got $1 billion market cap. We can see 73,000 in terms of liquidity, and we simply click on it. Now, if we want, we can go and buy this project. You'll see I get the chart up in front of me, and on my right hand side above my head, you can see I want to buy or sell. And what's even better is this, I can set it and forget it. I mean, that's a big deal. I can add anti-mev protection and, like I said, go and do something else, knowing that not only can I trade effectively, but I'm going to get there exactly where I want to be and the price that I want to pay. And I think that's a huge differentiation between something like Uniswap, where you have to be the custodian and guardian of everything. Not only can we do it on Ethereum, we can now do it on Solana. And you can see here at the top, simply click it, move to Solana, start looking for those Solana gems. Obviously, gas fees are much cheaper over there. Now, the really exciting bit though is you can set it to sell. Again, really important in this market. You're not missing a beat. You're not going to bed and missing out on those 10, 20, 30x potentials. Now, if you join my live stream, we're going to be talking about Fibonacci extensions and how you can predict where markets are going to go. So definitely subscribe and turn that notification bell on. But this really gives you a sentiment of where UNODEX is ahead of the game. They are setting the standard when it comes to this project. Again, let's take a look at the socials. Lots coming with the socials. They're really starting to work hard. Don't forget, every Monday they're grinding those Twitter spaces so that you guys keep up to date with everything going on. And ultimately, the Solana shotgun is live as well. Instant market buy and sells, limit orders, take profit, stop loss, and much much more. So the big question, what's going on with the chart? Well, here we go. We're currently just over 1,110 holders. 3127 is that price point and a $3.12 million market cap. Hit the lows down here at this bottom bit of the 160s, bought incredibly quickly as it moved up. And then we got the kind of meme coin rally. We know altcoins aren't quite moving just yet, but we do see a nice reversal coming in at this bottom end as we start to see some volume pick up, still over 20K in volume with many, many more to come. And I think UNODEX is going to be a great play through this bull market and further on into DeFi, and really setting a standard in terms of what we're delivering. So if you're interested, check out the links in the description. It's free to sign up. Go and have a play around with it. See what you think. Get in the Telegram. And if you've got any questions, come and join me on my live stream tomorrow. We'll be talking a little bit more about UNODEX and how you can use it. Until then, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Take care.